everybody. In this video, I want to show you all of the amazing journals that I found at Michael's the other day. I don't know if you have a Michael's in your store where you live, but if you are near one and you love journals, they have a clearance on journals, and I want to show these to you. So look at this one. This is probably my favorite one. If you're into the moon phases in any way, like if you are a Wiccan or a pagan or into some of the earth religions, or you follow the moon phases for manifestation purposes, this is an amazing little journal that I'm going to use for that. So it comes with a cute little, um, what are these things called? Ribbons. And there is no actual moon on this cover, but I just think this is so beautiful. And it says it's just a phase. Well, it does have a little moon right there, but it's I just love this cover. Isn't it great? So these are lined journals, not bullet journals. However, I think there were some bullet journals there, with the dot grid paper. They just had all sorts of kinds. But I like the lined ones. I've actually learned that I like lined better than the dot grid. I really don't think I'm going to be much of a bullet journaler. I mean, I have a bunch of them now, but I like lines because well, this is good for journaling if you're just going to write, your thoughts or, use it as that for that kind of thing. So here's another one that's moon related, and I'm obsessed with the moon, so I just went crazy when I saw these. It says to the moon and back, and it's got a picture of the moon on it. Like, how beautiful is that? And this one's got a little blue ribbon. So yeah, the same inside as the other one, just different colors, and then the lines again. I'm gonna use these either for my book of shadows or my just writing down the things that I manifest with the moon, because I do that. And here's another one that's not moon related, but it's just beautiful. Look at that cover. I mean, I am a sucker for pretty things, so when I saw this was the first one I saw, and I'm like, oh, pretty. Another one with just the lines. And then what I have here, I think this might actually be oh, here's another lined one. But this is a hardcover where these ones are like soft, like look at, you can bend these. And this one is hard. So I like the hard ones. I wish the other ones were hard too, but so this one is another lined. So this is probably a perfect mix of the lined and the hardcover, and then it comes with one of these straps too, so you can keep it in the page that you want. I just wish this had I mean, I love purple. This is one of my favorite colors, but I wish this had like this cover on here, and it would be perfect because it would be hard and it'd be beautiful. So here is another one of these awesome ones that I got at Michael's. So this is an actual bullet journal, but this is different, and this has pre-made pages, pre-written pages. So if you are a beginner bullet journaler and you don't know what to do, you don't know what to write, you're not creative, this is the kind of book that you should get. Sorry, I guess I wasn't in the middle of the screen. So this has, as you can see, I don't know if you can see this in there, but it's the days of the week, Sunday through Saturday, and this is a whole month. And then it's just got all your basic, to-do lists. It's got a tracker, habit tracker, and I love these pages. I actually sell these in my Etsy shop, printable ones of these. So these are gonna have like little squares, little notebook paper, pieces of paper on there, so you can put whatever you want in them. Like I said, these are good for people that aren't creative, they're not artistic, they want everything done for them. Another page with goals, notes, bills, days of the week, and that kind of thing. And then we're back to the monthly scheduler, and I think it's the same, it repeats the same for each one. And then the great thing about this book is when you get to the end, it's blank so that you can add your own. So not only does like half the book have its already made pages so that if you're not creative, you know what to do, and then you can make your own at the end. And look at this, it's beautiful gold on the edge. I love that. It's just beautiful. And this is a hardcover, and this has one of these little straps. Now, I don't know for sure what I paid for all of these, but I mean, I should have kind of looked that up before I started making this video, but they were not expensive, let me tell you. They were cheaper than they were somewhere between 5 and maybe 12 or $13 for each of these separately. So, if you are a journal freak like me, which you probably are if you're watching this video, go to Michael's. As of right now, they're having an awesome clearance sale on a lot of these things and a lot of stuff in the whole store in general. Michael's is just great anyway, for things that are crafty. So if you're into any sort of making your own kind of journals, I would definitely go to Michael's. But these, I just had to show you these because they're so pretty. And these, I'm pretty sure that these three that you're looking at here were somewhere around $5 or $6. So it's just amazing. I'm just in love with Michael's, and I'm in love with journals, and I can't wait to start using these. So I just wanted to share this with you, and if you like this video, be sure to like it and share it with any of your friends that are obsessed with journals like us. And be sure to follow me so that you can get more of my videos. And I'll see you in the next one.